morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our new card making kit for August. It's called Dragonfly, and let me show you what is in this awesome little bag. Okay, let me get all the bits out. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with the creative cuts. So you get the creative cuts for the Drive and Fly collection. You get this cute little cut apart sheet which works with Essential Die number 5 and cuts out all of those sayings for you, or you can just hand cut them. You have got your Drive and Fly little mini collection pack with 32 sheets in it. You've got some black grosgrain ribbon. You have got some black rhinestones and a pack of our card and envelope packs. Now you also get in there this here, which is the inspiration sheet, and if you open it up, you've got 6 card designs here to choose from. Let me show you them up close. So this is a great one for all the railway nuts. You're the best dad ever. Of course you can mix it up with some Father's Day sayings if you want to use these for Father's Day. This one is a cheers to a great birthday. It's got the GT on there, for the Ford fans. One for the Holden fans. This one has got the Tirana on there for a 16th. One for all the Air fans. This has got the plane on it, which is really cute. We've got the 50 on there, but you could also mix it up and change that to whatever age you want. Just a general happy birthday dad one. Lots of layers. And one for all the bike fans with the Harley on it, and I chose to put the 40 on there. You've obviously got lots of different ones that you can include. A great thing to add on to this collection is this cut apart sheet, because you've got a whole bunch of other ages on there. They're just a 1-inch circle to cut those out, and lots of other sayings. So that is the card making kit. These are $27 and now available on our website. Well, I should say from the 5th. They'll be available from the 5th on our website. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.